come couponing with me at Walmart today. We're gonna save 75% on a variety of products, including household products, personal care products, and some really fun popsicles for the summer. The best part is all you need is your phone. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly what to do, how to do the deals, and I'm gonna give you a full tutorial on Ibotta at the end. You're also gonna get enough cash back from Ibotta that you'll be able to cash out immediately. I got my cash within about 30 minutes. So if you're broke and you're trying to stretch your dollar as much as possible, this is the perfect video for you. If you guys are new here, welcome. Please take a second, hit that red subscribe button. My channel is dedicated to helping you save money on absolutely everything that you buy, including groceries. So below in the description box is a free printable breakdown, as well as the referral codes to the different rebate apps that I'm using. So in today's haul, we're using 3 different rebate apps. That's it. We're using Ibotta, we're using Shopkick, and we're using Fetch Rewards. All of them are completely free. You can create completely free accounts. And if you use my links below, you're gonna get a bonus when you submit your first receipt for every single one of the apps. So you can actually grab everything today for free, which is insane to save that much money at Walmart, especially with today's prices increasing, the tariffs, all the nonsense going on right now. This is exactly how you can fight inflation and be able to save money every single month. On average, I save 82% by couponing and tracking my spending in my new digital spreadsheet. So let's head over to Walmart and take advantage of amazing deals this week. Next, we're gonna grab one of these Folgers Classic Roast here for $1.37. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. It's a super easy rebate. The limit is 1. It makes it only 62 cents. This next deal I'm super excited about. I was actually craving popsicles the other day. I'm gonna grab 2 different varieties of the Bomb Pops. I'm gonna get the original, and I'm also gonna get the Nerds. That sounds delicious. I'm gonna submit to Shopkick. I'll get $1.04 back on the Nerds, and then there's a separate one for the original down here. There is multiple that you can do on one, so if you wanna grab 2 of those, you definitely can. Then submit to Fetch Rewards. You'll get $1.50 back when you buy 2. Makes your final cost $1.08 each. I don't think that's a bad deal, and we're gonna grab them. It has reset for me, and it's such a cheap deal, so it winds up making it worth it to track towards my bonuses. I'm gonna grab another 3 of these Glade. They're $2.28 each. Get back $1.50 each from Ibotta. The limit is 3, so I'm gonna max it out. That does count 3 rebates towards my bonus. Makes my final cost 78 cents a piece. It's also that time of year where all the baby products start clearancing out. So if you have a baby shower or something coming up, real quick, I want to show you a super cheap gift basket that you can grab. So instead of going off of their baby shower registry, everyone's going to be getting them like diapers and clothes and bibs and things like that. Get them some useful things that I promise you are probably not going to be on their registry, but I used personally. So in the baby section, here's what I would put together for a gift basket. 1, the infant pain reliever here is 50% off. It's just $4. Then grab them some Honest diaper rash cream. Everybody needs diaper rash cream. This one's about 30% off. They also have Zarbee's, which I personally like. The bedtime spray would be good. This one is 30% off. The cough syrup is another good one. I would also grab this children's Sinex saline spray. This one is also 50% off at just $5. You can also grab some shampoo and conditioner here. I already have it in my cart. These are 25% off right now. Then a lot of people don't think of this, but baby sunscreen is super important, and the insect repellent, especially because it's summer. Grab a couple things for them as they're getting older as well. So you can grab one of these toothbrushes down here. And most importantly, grab some all-purpose wipes. These are so huge. These are about 33% off as well. Then I would just grab one of these because I used it. I absolutely loved it for giving them a bath and scrubbing their head. My son had cradle cap, and this helped a lot with getting rid of that. Finally, you can grab this Boogie Vapor Bath here for $7.50. So let me show you everything that I would grab. So here's everything in your basket. Total is $81 worth of product value, which is insane, but you would only pay $46 for all of this. So under $50, put it in a gift basket. It's a bunch of things that they're actually gonna use, and you were able to save almost 50% at Walmart right now. Let me know in the comments if you end up snagging any of these deals. I'm gonna grab a couple for my son. This baby humidifier as well. I had to buy one and pay full price last minute for my son because he needed it. This one's 33% off. And my favorite deal has reset again on Shopkick. So these Curad bandages we're gonna get for 9 cents. Submit to Shopkick. Both of them work for this rebate, giving you back $2.88. Makes your final cost 9 cents. These are one of my favorite brands. They last a really long time, even if you're like getting it wet and stuff. And they come in really cool, fun colors, which I love. This one works really good on the finger and knuckle one, so definitely grab these. We have a great deal on the Shea Moisture Body Wash as well. These are really large. They're 18 ounces. They're $11.98. Submit to Ibotta for $4 cash back. Then over on Fetch Rewards, I have $3 back. That would make your final cost $4.98. Now, there are some hang tag coupons, so this one would be to save $4. However, you cannot stack coupons at Walmart with Ibotta rebates because you will not get the Ibotta rebate back if it says to not stack with the coupon. So just a heads up on that. You can also grab the Dial Healthy Hydration. Now, it's not a moneymaker anymore because the Shopkick rebate is gone, but what you can do is still grab one, submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. Then over on Checkout 51, you'll get $1 cash back. And on Swag Bucks, you'll get 75 cents back for buying one. Makes it just $1.73. So if you need another rebate, this could be a good one to do. I've been using this one. It smells really good. A few more easy rebates are the Dial hand soap over here. This type is $1.24. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. Makes it 74 cents each. The limit on that is 2. You can also grab one of the antibacterial over here for $2.47. Submit to Ibotta. It's a separate rebate for 50 cents back. This one is a limit of 1. Makes it $1.97. So not the best deal, but if you need some hand soap, you can definitely grab it. Another great deal you can do is on the expensive Dove body wash here for $9.97. Submit to the Ibotta rebate app for $4 cash back. Then submit to Shopkick. You'll get 700 kicks, which translates to $2.80 back. Makes your final cost $3.17. Here's a new product. I've never seen this before. The Summer's Eve also came out with a whole body deodorant. This one is $7.48. I found it on a little end cap. It might be with the deodorant as well. I'm not really sure. You're gonna submit over to Ibotta. You're gonna get how much back? $4 back. Then submit over to Shopkick. You'll get $1.64 back. The limit is 2, so I'm gonna grab 2 of them. Makes them just $1.84 each. So definitely a great deal. You can also save about 40% on some Shea Moisture hairstyling products. So I scanned all of the cheaper ones here. I scanned this one. None of them are working with the Shopkick rebate, but these are. So they're $10.37. Submit to Shopkick. You're gonna get $2.84 back. Then submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back. Makes your final cost like $6.03. There's a deal on oral care, so you can grab one of the Colgate Gum Protect for $5.36. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back. Makes it $2.36. If it's not something that you absolutely need, or it's not like a final rebate to help you reach a bonus, I would definitely not grab it because we get Colgate for like 50 cents each at CVS and Walgreens. All right. Couple tips real quick. Make sure when you're in your car still, you're submitting your receipts immediately to the different rebate apps. Number 1, you don't want to lose your receipt. And number 2, you don't want to forget and then have rebates expire. They don't last forever. So you want to make sure that you're snagging your cash back immediately. So first, I always submit my receipt to Ibotta. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do that. It's super easy. So you're going to open up your phone. You're of course going to open the Ibotta app. Mine is under recent because I use it for CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart all the time. If it's not there for you, just at the top, search for Walmart and click on it. Then you're gonna click in-store because we're doing in-store offers. When you find the different rebates that you're doing, you're gonna click the plus sign to activate the rebate. Then to submit your receipt, you have your paper receipt with you. What you're gonna do is click submit receipt instead. I do not recommend linking your Walmart account. Sometimes Ibotta could miss a rebate and you don't wanna miss out on a bonus. So today I'm working on these 2 bonuses. They have a new bonus where I think it was something like if you're in the app every day, you're gonna get little bonuses each day or something like that. So that's why I got the additional 10-cent bonus. So you'll see that right on the main screen. So back on the Walmart tab, what you're gonna do is click submit receipt instead. It's gonna ask you to check your offers, make sure that you activated everything that you're submitting for so that the Ibotta app knows what to look for on your receipt. Then you're gonna click submit, you're gonna take a photo, you're gonna scan the barcode of the Walmart receipt right in the little barcode scanner like that. Then it's gonna ask, then it's gonna verify all your offers. So it's gonna show you everything that it found. Look through it, just make sure real quick that it did find every single offer and the correct quantity. So for example, Dial body wash or the Dial hand soap, I did get 2. It says a quantity of 2, so we're good to go there. If you're missing anything, at the bottom, click I'm missing cash back, and then you'll follow the steps to scan that product. If not, click confirm and submit, and you're good to go. it'll update and it'll go pending at first, and then once it verifies everything, it'll give you that cash back. So it shows here that I wound up getting the $5 bonus, I got the 10-cent Tuesday bonus, and I got the $18.25 back. So I'm over $20. You need a minimum of $20 to be able to cash out with Ibotta. So I was able to get that money back immediately. So I cashed out for everything that I had on Ibotta. Do not use any rebate app as a savings account. It is not a savings account. It is not a bank account. If for some reason they shut down or your account gets deactivated or something crazy, you're going to be out that money. So do not do that. Always cash out of every single rebate app except for Fetch Rewards. I don't do it for Fetch Rewards because that one's just gift cards. But anyway, just trust me, make sure you're doing that. Next, we submitted our receipt to Shopkick. I got back 1,700 kicks. Shopkick is super easy now. So same thing, you're gonna open the app on your phone. Then you're gonna click for Walmart. You're gonna click receipts at the top. It's gonna ask you to take a photo of your receipt. Do that and bam, it's gonna find everything for you. It's super easy now. Verify it, make sure that everything is correct, and click submit. So I got 1,700 kicks. Plus the in-store scan kicks, I got back $6.80. Then Fetch Rewards, probably even easier. You're gonna open your phone. When you open Fetch Rewards, you're just gonna click the camera button. You're gonna take a photo of your receipt. That's it. It's gonna scan it and look for different offers, and it's gonna give you the points back. You then exchange those points for gift cards, and Walmart is an option. So you can then submit for Walmart gift cards and use that to lower the cost of any other purchases that you make at Walmart. I use it mostly I do Dunkin', I do Amazon, and I do CVS. Every once in a while, I'll do Walmart as well. But those are the main apps that I'm using when I'm saving money, and you're getting actual cash back from Ibotta and from Shopkick. Fetch Rewards is just gift cards, but again, you can use it towards things that you're gonna be buying to help you save money on everything that you need for your family. So what I'm gonna do now is enter it into my digital budget spreadsheet. If you're not tracking your spending, if you don't have a spreadsheet, use mine. It is so important to track how much you're spending. If you don't know where you're at, how do you know how much you're spending? How do you know how much you're saving, or if you're blowing your budget every month? So make sure that you are tracking how much you're spending. So this is my budget spreadsheet. So what we're gonna do is enter in the different values, and the rest is gonna calculate for us. So we're gonna enter in the total retail value. So for me, it's $41.36. That's my out-of-pocket cost. Of course, I didn't use any gift cards or anything. There's no rewards to use at Walmart, so we're gonna put zeros in all of this. Then total cash back, we're gonna enter in right here, and it's gonna calculate for me my final cash cost, being $9.71, which saves me 76%. This budget spreadsheet is also going to automatically update your average percentage saved for the month. So you can see right here that I'm doing a really good job of saving money for this month, and it's only June 10th. So we're only a third of the way through, and look how much money I've already saved. Last month, I saved over 80%. The previous month as well, in May and in April, I saved over 80%. So that is the power of stacking your deals and being able to coupon the right way using only your phone. I don't use newspapers. I don't use printable coupons, literally nothing. It is so easy. You just have to learn how to do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed yet, click my face icon and subscribe. I'd love to help you on your couponing journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.